Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Joel Smart KE, and today we are back in this farm. Today we are seeing that gentleman over there, goes by the name Jasuba. So today is spraying the tomatoes because of the pounding rains. He's told me that a lot of effort goes to the insecticides. So it's not about water anymore, but it is the rain. You can see we have donned our boots here. So having his gear there. So the technology is not pumping, but is using a machine to pump. So I don't know what insecticide is using, but I've read some fungicide. So let's go and meet him. Look at the farm, the rain. Seeing the health status of this tomato because of too much rain. They're like gloomy. They're not healthy. There. So let me follow him closely and see. This is a lot of mad, man. Wow, look at that. That's already ripe. Ripe. Whoa. When hard work, a lot of hard work is equals to money. Yasubere kami chako go kosere akinge ichwoyo. Ichwo gimora. Oh. Guys, technology has made things I think you need some mask. What do you think? Should not be doing it like that. Oh, Yasuba. Hey, udah give you the mask. Udah give you the mask. Oh. Eh, abro mi, kibiro te di kwaya. Guys, this one is serious. Wow. Kweli meisha. Wow. Kwa fuel otiyo go maram nade?
Matin.
100 orome?
100 tanks.
Oh. Nakare. Mana nyaka idhi moro?
Nyaka o.
Masindi ni begera nene. Ofiro gino ma.
Onego bed gi mask.
Onego bed gi mask. Ka ngibi kaw. An kibiro ta mimoko kata mang'eny. Mag blue, but odwaro ma white cha. Ma blue cha. Adhi migi mang'eny ikonyrigo bana, en ma tich. Koni isego te? Ma bidhi tiyo kawuono? Koni koro yadhno en kata koth ochwe to ok oket nyanya kethre? Okay. Ma tich. Ma kiaye to kata sense ok igoye. Kare gini chwe, I need fit. Guys, this is the general is here. Obanyise jopiny gimoro. Ma en tich matek kata ka oyudi kichamo chiembi moko amoro. Kik ng'ato kwayi.
Ai piny ok tich matek ema kelo chiemo.
Wayiego.
Mago kitiyo matek to chiemo ok yudre.
Chiemo ok yudre adier.
Ok yudre.
Bas sani dong koro chiegni chak pono. Kiny pono? Kecha aneno moko mosebedo ready. Ichak rip e chuodho nie mang'eny. Kaka man. Ma tielo maler. Ong'eni kodonjo e tong' adier. Yudo sup. Sianda nochango. Magi kore nitie yath magolo mago donge? But en teacher.
Work is being done here.
So mine doesn't require weeding kendo.
Don't require.
Yeah.
Just weed it.
Kaka sana. Lakini ko chak pone tibano di pone for how many weeks adi? 1 month. Back to back pono. Every week twice. Koro pesa ni gitine ineno. Lakini gima fwenyo yedhe kaka kiwacho that's a lot of money. Ikoni one sachet 22,000. Award.
Something like 40,000.
40.
But
oh, 2 meals in 20 liters. Titiyo kod manodong kaka gin gi machine toko kama duong. Award. A lot of hard work goes in here. Guys, kujeni tomato. Look at this one. From tomorrow wanaanza kutoa. The quality is top notch. Hii hata inafaa ipelekwe supermarket in Kisumu. Wow, so guys, thank you for watching. This is Jasuba. By the Jasuba ngeni pokangega your official name. Mondo jogi umanyi.
Your official name?
Anangi Jasuba. A very good friend of mine. Look.
James.
James.
James Edward.
James Edward. A great farmer indeed. Look at what he has done. This is the product of what he has done. So guys, come to Homa Hills. Look for James.